Y'all, I'm not an attempt, I've done this plenty of times, but I'm about to fry some fish. I got some catfish fillets here in the sink. I'm going to use this extra virgin Pompeian, all right, olive oil. And yeah, I was going to use canola oil, but I don't want to. And I think I might make this. This is like my favorite rice. This cheddar broccoli Nor's rice. Look at that. This the best rice ever. I've been making this rice since I was like 12 years old. But yeah, I got my pan heating up, so let me get this grease in here. Okay, it took the strong arm just to open it, so I'm gonna just use this olive oil. Let me know if y'all fry fish in olive oil. I normally use vegetable oil, canola oil, and I don't have that. I'm just use this one whole bottle. Try to use the healthiest of oils here. So I'm gonna let this heat up while I prepare this bag of fish. So we just gonna put this in here. Put some salt and the water for the rice. And let that boil a little bit before we start seasoning this fish. Seasoning that fish, hey. Fish on the plate. Should be thawed out by now. Paper towels so they can be kind of dry, because you want your fish to be dry when you dip it in the, okay, when you dip it in here, this is already seasoned, but I'm still going to add salt and pepper to the fish. We don't want it too salty, but I know what I'm doing. But my kids don't really eat much fish. I do. I haven't ate catfish, however, in a very long while, so I wanted to give me some. Let me put this down so I can wash my hands. So I wanted you to know, just because you buy seasoned, fish fry, cornmeal, whatever you're using, just because it's already seasoned don't mean you don't need to add seasoning to the fish itself. All right, this is for some of my lighter complected peoples out here in these streets. Add seasoning to your food. All right, whatever you got in your cabinets. Can y'all even hear me? Hold on, let me turn this fan off. I gotta turn it back on though, so it don't have that smoky from the grease. But anyways, so the rest of this video, I wash my hands again. The rest of this video is gonna require me to use both of my hands, so I'm gonna have to record like this. All right, so this is what you're gonna get to see. All right, so now I'm just ready to dip the fish into the batter, seasoned already, but I did add more seasoning. I put some seasoning salt as well. All right, seasoned salt, some Lawry's. Get you some Lawry's in your kitchen, okay? I do have all-purpose seasoning as well, and the one I always use. I always use this complete seasoning, okay? But I gotta turn this fan back on, so the rest of it probably gonna be a voiceover. I'm just saying, it's gonna be loud. Grease is definitely hot. I just threw some water. You know how you test it? I just threw some water in there to see if it's ready. It's ready, okay? So here we go. So you guys, this part is pretty self-explanatory. You get your fish, you dip it in the seasoning, make sure it's nicely coated, where all the cracks and crevices are coated. Some people like to use an egg wash before they dip it in there. I don't do that. I don't like that. Okay, so this is how it looks. Ooh, look at that thing. Ooh. And this is me putting it in the grease and running from the grease, trying not to get popped. Y'all see how I just stepped back a couple of times? Yeah. And from this point forward, it's pretty simple, pretty repetitive. You just continue to dip your fish in the seasoning and coat it nicely and dip it in the grease. And that's pretty much all you do. So let me just show y'all the next steps into frying this fish. I gotta put the rice in the pot. Butter that I use and there. Crispier than I want it to be. Woo! And that. I'm gonna take that one out. Y'all, I'm struggling, okay? I'm poking this fish to death and I can't get it up out of here with one hand. So, yeah. Bruh, I need 2 hands. I gotta put these last 2 pieces in here. So let me do that and I'll be right back. I don't need the leftovers. I gotta wash this fish because I don't want it as dark as this one. That's a little bit too dark. This is okay. I gotta keep an eye on it. I'll be trying to clean up and clean up the grease that's popping everywhere at the same time. So I put the fan on low so this can be heard. Are y'all listening? All right. Make sure you clean up your space after you're done. While you're cooking, while your food's still cooking, all right, make sure you wipe off the stove. And I'm still going to have to clean it once all of these dishes and food is gone. But make sure you clean out your sink, okay? Make sure you wash your sink out. It needs cleaning too. That's my stopper. Just got that flipped up. This is what you need. Alright, some kind of disinfectant wipe. Whoa, what's going on? Calm down. I actually put this one up. Right down the counter. Clean your space, your counters. My son Fortnite cup. That's my son's name is Dallas. I ain't even used this side of the counter, but I'm gonna wipe it anyway, even though I wiped it this morning. The fish should be done. The rice should be done. I'm gonna turn all of this off because it is popping everywhere. I need both of my hands, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so for the most part, I'm done. I still gotta clean after this cools off and everything. And I'm just gonna pour that in a bottle and throw that out. I think I should be close to finishing this. We can use it for this. Put it in there and just chunk it out. I don't like to reuse the stuff. Okay. Anyways, here's the fish up close, personal. This is the dark one. You can't really tell, but this is the dark one. I normally like it like this color. I'm touching the food. And then boom, the rice. Broccoli cheddar rice. Asked if they want fries. They said no. So I gave them some bread with their fish because I always had to eat bread with mine. So kids be real plain. They don't be wanting no ketchup, no hot sauce, no nothing on their fish. So this is what they get. This is what he get. Fish, bread, and rice. And he probably won't even eat all the rice. So it is what it is. But here it is, okay? The final results. Me, I'm probably going to add, well, I don't know. I might get some tartar sauce. But anyways, yeah. Got me feeling like it's Sunday evening. Sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving.